Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
Thank you so much to CRICUT for sponsoring today's video.
People, please, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is just...
So hey everybody, it's Mickey. Today's video is the first in a series of projects to help make the holidays a little bit more fun. Today we're looking ahead to Christmas with matching Christmas t-shirts, a fun alternative to the same old Christmas stocking, and a really cute and useful stocking stuffer. So if you are new here, I hope you'll take a minute to subscribe. I put out new videos every week about all things home. A big thank you to CRICUT for sponsoring today's video. They were kind enough to send me their new CRICUT Joy Extra for all of today's projects. The CRICUT Joy Extra has all the benefits of the CRICUT Joy, but with a larger cutting surface. It is a perfect option for someone new to the CRICUT family. It's small enough to keep on a shelf for easy access or to carry with you to craft on the go. You know, everyone loves a personalized gift, a t-shirt, a cup, a bag with your name on it, especially if you have an unusual name. It's always a great gift, so today I'm going to share with you 3 personalized projects to make for your holidays a little bit more fun. The one thing I really like to do every year is to find matching Christmas t-shirts for everyone in the family. And this year I found the funniest little t-shirts on Amazon that I bought with certain members of the family in mind. So I thought these t-shirts were just so cute. They have all these sayings on them, you know, like most likely to. So this one is most likely to race Santa's sleigh. This one is most likely to know all the words to the Christmas songs. That one's mine. This one is most likely to start all the shenanigans. And I have just a pile of these here. And what I would like to do is to match the shirt with the person and put their name on the back. So what I'm going to be needing to do that is, of course, my CRICUT Joy Extra. I am going to be needing some Smart Iron-On, which I got in the color white, because I want to put everybody's name in white on the back, and I will also be using the CRICUT Easy Press. So let's head over to the CRICUT Design Space to design our names. We are going to go into Canvas, and the first name that I'm going to do is Taylor in all capital letters. I'm also going to pick a font that I like, that I really think goes well with the t-shirt design, and that font is called Dom Casual. CRICUT has so many fonts to choose from. You can find the perfect one for any of your projects. So once it automatically changes our name to that font, and you can start playing around with the size. I think I'm going to look for about a 2.5 inch tall name. Once I get it to the exact measurements I want, I'm ready to make it. Once you hit the green Make It button in the right-hand corner, it will bring you to a screen asking you how you want to load your materials for this project. Now, even though this is smart material, I still like to use my mat, so I'm going to click the On Mat option. Then it will bring up a screen with the project specifics, the basic cut, you're going to cut on a mat, the size of your mat, and then because this is an iron-on transfer to a t-shirt, we want to mirror our design so that it cuts backwards, so when we put it on our t-shirt, it is right side up. As you can see, the name is displayed backwards, and that is how we're going to cut. Load your materials and you're ready to make your cuts. The only difference with the iron-on material is that there is a shiny side and a matte side, and you want to be sure that you load your material shiny side down, whether you load it directly into the machine or on a mat. CRICUT has a heat guide on cricut.com where you put in which heat press that you are using, which type of material you are using, and where you are going to apply your iron-on. It will tell you exactly what temperature to set your heat press at, how long to keep it on your transfer, and how much pressure to apply. So I have the t-shirt laid out on my heat press pad, and I am going to give it a once over with my heat press just to warm up the material. I am going to be using like the rim of the collar in front that you can see just a little bit of an indentation of here, and I'm going to use that as my centering piece. So for this t-shirt, this is going to be Taylor's, and I am going to turn that around and line it up with my center spot there. That looks pretty good to me. I laid it down there. Now the adhesive from the transfer is going to hold it in place for you. Then you are going to take your heat press, center it over the transfer. Try to get as much in it as possible so you only have to do it once. Lay it down, hold it still, and hit your C, and it'll start counting down the length of time that you need to apply the heat. When it is done, it'll beep, lift up, and you're gonna let it cool before we peel. How easy was that? I mean, it's going to be so much fun on Christmas Eve when everybody opens up their personalized t-shirt. It really doesn't take much to make something special and memorable to make our holiday a little bit more fun. I really love that tradition of Christmas stockings. You know, sometimes I am more excited about the little things I put in the stockings than I am those bigger gifts under the tree. But, you know, now that my kids are getting older, they want to buy each other things for their stockings, and they just have not been big enough in these last couple years. And, you know, they're very sentimental, and you don't want them to get roughed up too much. So what I did a couple years ago is I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these Santa buckets there. They're $1.25 and they are perfect for a substitute Christmas stocking. I think that they are a great size. You can put everybody's name on it, and I think it really looks cute, you know, Christmas morning to have all these buckets by everybody's gifts. It's a nice way to kind of, you know, gather everything together and everybody knows where their little pile is. So I am going to be adding a couple of buckets to our collection, and I'm going to put their names on them. So what I'm going to be using for that today is of course, my CRICUT Joy Extra, and I'm going to be using some black smart vinyl. So I have my little weeding tool here, and we are going to get going. I've designed the names in CRICUT Design Space, and I've cut them out, so all I have to do is weed the vinyl, use some transfer tape, and get them on the buckets. You know, one of the reasons why I really do love my CRICUT so much is to personalize gifts and just to create exactly what I want. In our family, we have a lot of unique names, ones that you just don't find out in the world, and by using my CRICUT, I've been able to include everyone's names in so many different ways in our celebrations, you know, without spending a fortune. And I was able to make them right here at home. I am just someone that does not pack light, and I know that you can never have enough zippered cases. I found these really cute daisy zippered bags on Amazon, and I thought they would be perfect to personalize for some of the girls in my family as a great stocking stuffer. I thought I would just add their name and a little daisy flower, you know, something really, really simple. So for this project, I'm going to use some gold and white vinyl, and I'll create something super simple in CRICUT Design Space. These types of bags are so easy to personalize because the vinyl adheres to them so easily and really holds tight. It doesn't even take very much design to make them look so cute. This is a perfect little bag to carry all of your chargers, extension cords, pencil cases on a trip, or even every day in your backpack. Just imagine the possibilities for little personalized gifts you can make to fill your family's stockings or gifts under the tree and go a little bit easier on your budget. So thank you all so much for watching, and thank you again to CRICUT for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to leave links to everything that I mentioned in today's video in the description box down below. We are in full holiday mode here, so be sure to be on the lookout for more easy holiday project videos coming your way. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at My Bashful Life, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you all back as part of our YouTube family. So until I see you in that next video, I hope that you love the life that you have. Be kind to each other, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!